A Ford Edge came in for tire pressure sensor replacement. Today I'll show you how to replace Ford's tire pressure sensors. This thing in my is the tire pressure sensor. The manufacturer of this sensor is Sensata, which produces these for Ford as So this time we're not using Ford's original parts in terms of pricing. They're cheaper than Ford's original parts, but they're exactly the same as the original. Now let me explain the matching procedure for replacing these sensors across all Ford models. Let me explain to everyone. First, turn on the ignition. Then keep pressing the hazard lights button. After hearing the horn sound, the dashboard will display please calibrate. After activating the tire pressure monitoring matching mode for the front left wheel, you need to use this matching device simultaneously. Following the instructions of the 3-0 matching device, just follow the prompts on the dashboard and you're good. According to the dashboard prompts, match the tire pressure sensors in sequence.